This is a demonstration of an in-flight pack overheat. You are the pilot non-flying. You are currently flying at your cruise flight level. Everything is normal. Let's look at the indications. A failure message and associated ECAM procedure have appeared on the engine warning display. The ECAM bleed page has been automatically called to show amber indications, and a fault light has illuminated on the air conditioning control panel. On the engine warning display, read the title of the failure. Before you begin, notice that the pack flow control valve has closed. This occurred automatically when the overheat was detected to protect the pack from damage. The valve color indication is amber because the valve position disagrees with the push-button switch position. The compressor outlet temperature is also amber because its limit has been exceeded. Notice also that since the pack valve has closed, the supply line from the pack to the mixer unit has turned amber. This happened because there is no airflow from the pack to the mixing unit. The pilot flying will ask you to perform the ECAM actions. You, as pilot non-flying, read and perform the ECAM actions. The first step on ECAM directs you to turn off Pack 1. This is to match pack push-button switch and pack valve position and prepare to reset the pack. Note that the fault light on the pack push-button switch is illuminated to help you locate it and to indicate the overheat condition. Switch off Pack 1. When Pack 1 is turned off, an off light illuminates in the switch, and the pack valve indication turns green, showing valve switch agreement. Notice that the fault light is still illuminated. The completed procedural step disappears from the engine warning display. The compressor outlet temperature is now decreasing. Let's move on to the next step of the procedure. The first part is not an action, but a condition line. We are to determine if the pack overheat is out. The fault light in the switch is extinguished, and the compressor outlet temperature indication is green, so we can conclude that the overheat is out. Therefore, accomplish the next ECAM action by switching Pack 1 back on. Switch on Pack 1. When the pack switch is switched back on, the off light is extinguished, normal memos replace the failure message on the engine warning display because the failure condition no longer exists, and the cruise page returns to the system display. You have now completed the ECAM actions. The pack overheat condition has gone, and the pack is reset.